Right now, Bitcoin is squeezing its price action once again in towards an apex. There are many indicators that are currently telling us that there will be a huge amount of volatility hitting the markets anytime soon. And I will be trying to explain how you could be preparing yourself the best for the next big Bitcoin move that will be happening here in this market. So on today's update video, I will be going over new consolidation patterns. I will be talking about my price targets on the market. I will be talking about the most important charts you need to be paying attention towards right now. I will be talking about the huge volatility that will be coming anytime soon and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 500 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on that imminent short term, we can currently start to see that Bitcoin basically has been moving down significantly. We've been wicking all the way down to 18.6k once again, but once again so far we still officially have not confirmed that big move, because once looking at the 4 hourly time frame, I have been talking about this very important level of support. On the lower side, it is once again providing support. So if we do manage to break below the support, that is going to be the point where we should start to worry. However, we are currently still consolidating in the middle of the range. So on the bigger picture, nothing is changing so far. But what we do know, every single day that is passing onwards right now is another day of consolidation in this space, and another day of consolidation means that we're a day closer towards that huge breakout we have been waiting for. If I do look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin right now, we are currently still looking at a descending triangle, and this descending triangle is basically a consolidation phase that most certainly will be breaking out anytime soon. And right now the projections are that we are actually going to be having a breakout within the coming 8 days. So approximately next week we could be starting to see the big move happening for Bitcoin. And honestly, what I do think right now, if Bitcoin either is going to be breaking bullish or bearish before we clearly move towards the direction we're breaking towards, I think there's a very high likelihood that we first will be seeing a fake out. And I mean this to the upside and downside, because currently leverage is piling up in the market. So I wouldn't be surprised if first let's see a long liquidation, and then of course see a short liquidation and move the market back towards the upside. Those are the moves I'm currently watching. And if we are going to be moving down significantly, I will be definitely trying to prepare myself with crazy positions in the market here as well. So make sure that you're going to be ready for the next big move, because one thing is for sure, and that is volatility is going to be picking up, because currently we are at the same stage, just like September 2020, and look at the tightness, look at the narrowness of the bullish bands right now. We will be most certainly choose a direction, just like last time around we choose the direction towards the upside. We moved an approximately, 500% towards the upside from that point onwards. And currently, once again, we are seeing an interesting, a very important consolidation phase. And this consolidation phase will be most certainly, once again, also choose a direction up or down. But one thing is for sure, Bitcoin will be moving in a big way any time soon. And I mean, what we're currently looking for is confirmations. And actually, this is a new pattern that currently is unfolding. If I am looking at the 12-hour time frame, first of all, analyzing the market structure, we can see that the 12-hour time frame is currently forming lower highs every single time, right? We were already aware about that. The 12-hour time frame is forming lower highs every single time. Together with that, we are also forming higher lows, like you can see right now. So what are we seeing? We are seeing a price compression, and we can draw this price compression as well with two important trend lines. And if we put these trend lines together, we can see that we are predicting that this trend line will be either see a breakout in the coming 4 days ahead of ourselves. Whether it's going to be bullish or bearish, it will be most certainly determine a big move for Bitcoin, because like you can see, this consolidation phase of the 12-hour time frame for Bitcoin is also already around for an approximately 30 days right now. So this is definitely a big consolidation phase that we could be trading on. So I am as well actually currently still waiting on the sidelines, and I will be opening one of the most craziest trades on Bitcoin. Whether we're going to be breaking bullish or bearish, I will be opening a long or short on this exact breakout, because I don't want to be missing out on that extremely volatile move that is going to come here on the market. And actually, if you want to be benefiting from insane deposit bonuses, make sure to check out the link in the description, because in these bear market times, you should be, of course, definitely benefit from the deposit bonuses that all these exchanges are offering you, because it basically allows you to trade with more money than you actually have. So make sure to check out BitGet in the link in the description right now. You can trade on Bitget also in the US, in the UK, all over the world without using a VPN. So definitely one crazy good exchange to check out right now. But currently, if we're going to be looking at the potential breakout, we're going to be, of course, looking for some insane price targets up or down. Honestly, if we do look at the price target towards the upside, it's going to be around to 21,000 US dollars. If we're going to be measuring a price target towards the downside, it's going to be around 17,000 US dollars. And actually, from the point of the breakout, it's going to be an approximately 10% move. And yeah, with a small little leverage on it, let's say a 10x leverage, it could be already a 100% gain if we're going to be catching the breakout long or short. So yeah, there is definitely a big move coming up anytime soon. We are currently preparing ourselves for that next big rally. And I mean, I will be benefiting from it either direction. Furthermore, looking at that daily time frame, I've been talking about this trend line for quite a while already. And like we can currently see, since we basically broke above the insane downtrend on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we have been basically so far holding it as support perfectly. So this is a good development for the Bitcoin price action right now. We are bouncing from our previous resistance target and flipping it into support right now. So this is looking good. If we do break below approximately 18.7k, we are officially confirming a break below this trend line. And that is, of course, a thing we do not want to be seeing right now. And actually also, if I do look at the daily time frame and zoom out a little bit here on the whole range we've been consolidating in, actually, we are currently seeing a very interesting structure getting formed here. And I mean, I am talking about many different market structures right now here. We're seeing different consolidation phases, and basically they all come down towards one same trend line. I mean, on the 12-hour time frame, we can see the downtrend getting created right here. On the daily time frame right here, we can see on the descending triangle, the downtrend is getting formed right here. And also on the daily time frame, we're seeing once again this downtrend coming back in towards the price action, right? So this is an important downtrend that we need to be breaking above in order to flip bullish. That is just the main thing to be looking at right now. But also interesting to see, we have been forming lower lows. And actually, this is a very typical movement from a falling wedge pattern. And so far, we're currently forming a falling wedge. The last time we basically formed a falling wedge in the price action of Bitcoin was somewhere around this region right here in the May correction. We were forming, of course, lower highs together with lower lows, and basically the price action squeezed and moved towards the upside from that point onwards. So right now, once again, we're seeing a similar move getting created. A falling wedge has a likelihood of breaking towards the upside with an approximately 70% chance. So honestly, the odds are more likely that Bitcoin is going to be breaking towards the upside. And to be very honest, I also do think that Bitcoin is very likely to have a very strong relief rally from this point onwards. And I mean, my bias right now is actually towards the upside. However, if we are going to be seeing a significant bounce towards the upside, I honestly do think that we first need to be seeing a fake out towards the downside. Whether it's going to be taking us long to recover from that fake out, or whether it's going to take us very short to recover from that fake out, I do think it is likely to see a fake out. Why? Is because then we wipe out all the long positions in the market and then move up from that point, and then of course liquidate also all the shorting positions. So actually, I wouldn't be surprised if that actually is going to be playing out here. I mean, the price target of this falling wedge is going to be somewhere around 25,000 US dollars. The top side of the wedge, what is going to be also an interesting target to actually take some profits maybe off the table, because I honestly do think that around that 25 to 24,000 US dollar region, there's going to be a lot of resistance in the market. Many people are willing to exit the market at that point onwards. So let's see what is going to be playing out right now. These are my predictions. These are the things that I need to discuss with you guys out there on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you do like the daily content we're bringing out on the channel every single day. Consider smashing up that like button. It will be highly appreciated for all the information and all of the stuff I'm doing for you guys out there on the channel. So if you want to be learning on how to make passive income in the cryptocurrency industry, don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.